the reason why we stopped here is one is the chakna. Chakna has all the spare parts in it. So and mostly tripe. That makes it very interesting, and it cooks like through the evening. It will keep cooking. And the kebab that is there is hard. It looks like it's got a lot of spice on it, but it's basically the flavors of salt and red chili powder. And there's a good chance that it may be semi-raw also. So what I like about the Nimra biscuit is actually the crumb. It's beautiful. It breaks the snap. Uh, when you eat it, it almost dissolves in your mouth. But when you see on a blackboard, if you draw with a black pen, you won't be able to see the difference. If you make a line with a white pen, it creates a contrast, which is what they do in this. They add just that little bit of salt that creates a beautiful contrast with the sugar, which makes this one of the most interesting cookies I've ever had.
Why can't we replicate this in the hotels? I mean, can we do this?
Possibly you could, but this is obviously years of baking that's gone into it, and these recipes use just by eating it, I can imagine that it uses a shortening that most wouldn't venture to use in hotels. So at this point, we're not looking at the health aspect or we're not looking at the calories. We're just looking at the sheer pleasure that it gives when you're putting the biscuit into your mouth. And with the tea, it's a perfect complement.
इंडिया के अंदर बहुत से आइटम ऐसे हैं जो स्पेशल है, जैसे इलाहाबाद का जाम है, हाँ, रतलाम की सेव है, आगरे का पेठा है और बनारस की साड़ी, हाँ, उसी तरह हैदराबाद की हलीम फेमस है, पिस्ता हाउस हलीम। पिस्ता हाउस हलीम कभी भी आप ट्राई कीजिए। पिस्ता हाउस एनीवे मिल्ड देन ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड, लेफ्ट देन 2 कंट्रीज बांग्लादेश एंड पाकिस्तान। नंबर 1 हलीम, पिस्ता हाउस हलीम।
अब ये जो दुकान जो है बड़े भाई के नाम पे है, मतवाले दूध घर बोलते, उनका नाम मतवाले है। और पूरे हम लोग 3 भाई है, हम संभालते। यहाँ पे 2 दुकान है हमारी, चांदमार बस स्टैंड पे है, एक यहाँ पर है।
क्या खासियत है या आपका क्या प्रोडक्ट स्पेशल क्या है आपका?
पूरा हमारा ओन है ये,
हाँ,
दही वगैरह सब, आइसक्रीम मलाई वगैरह सब ओन है। हम लोग बनाते, हम लोग सेल करते।
अब एक गिलास खाने से पेट भर जाएगा और कुछ खा नहीं सकते।
ये गिलास पीने से पेट भर जाता।
इसके पहले हलीम खाना, इसके बाद हलीम खाना।
इसके बाद भी हलीम का तो ठंडा रहता।
हाँ,
हलीम खा के भी आप पी सकते हैं,
अच्छा,
ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। मिल्क कट्स
नंबर 1 है सर। हमारे साथ टेस्ट किसी का नहीं है सर, और हमारी सी क्वांटिटी किसी का नहीं है सर, और हमारी सी सर्विस किसी का नहीं है सर।
ऐसा कभी देखे लोग ऐसा रखते हैं, उनका अपना ओन फूड स्टॉल है?
नहीं देगा सर। वाओ
हाँ,
वाओ, ब्यूटीफुल।
अच्छा, ये हम लोग का है।
ब्यूटीफुल।
हाँ, ये शाबूश का नहीं है।
किसके बारे में बात करें? बहुत
ये भी बहुत जबरदस्त है सर।
ये भी ब्यूटीफुल है।
ये भी ब्यूटीफुल है। आप लोग भी ब्यूटीफुल है सर।
Have a look at this kitchen. For me, this is really very interesting because this is the conventional style of cooking, and this is the style of cooking that not many people follow nowadays. See, all the fires are wood fires, and the only way of controlling the temperature is by removing burning logs from a high heat area, putting it into a low heat area, depending on how much heat they require. And you know that takes years and years of practice and expertise to come out. You can taste it in the food because the food is slow cooked, and it has a beautifully retained flavor, which you do not see in food that is cooked over commercial kitchen hobs. This is a dying art form. Not too many people know, and there are very few practitioners who can do this. But I'm happy to see that in places like Nayab, this is still alive. I think in the hotels, when we make food, our entire focus is on refining it, making it for a completely different audience. When you come out and eat on the street, you eat what everybody eats. There's a different charm in understanding this kind of food. Also in appreciating textures that are, sometimes scorned upon. Like for instance, after this when we'll go and eat the ice cream, which is a hand-churned ice cream, we realize that there'll be much larger crystals. So in the hotel scenario or in a fine dining scenario, that may be looked down upon, that the ice cream is not a fine ice cream. I'm saying put that aside and try to just appreciate the fact that there's a human effort that's gone into it, and you will just realize that it can give you equal, if not more, pleasure. So I think that is what is the fun part of these walks. When you go out, you try different things, you experiment, and you see that there are sometimes textures and flavors that you don't usually get in the hotel format.
And it's not just the food, right? It's about the place, the sounds, the
Well,
sights.
it's everything. Yeah.
It all adds to
it's
the
whole
taste of the
atmosphere.
food.
Yeah. It's the whole. Standing next to the Charminar and having a cup of tea and an iconic heritage building. You can compare this with the best in the world, and this is what it is. So the Eiffel Tower could have a nice, clean place around it, but this is how we want it. We don't want it any different from this, because this gives it life.